Hello guys, welcome back to the high-tech classes. Today I am going to update about one more notification which is announced by the ICR Central Institute for Research on Buffaloes. So for the post of SRF and the research associates. So what are the timing they are giving to you, what are the salary they are going to pay you, and what are the essential qualification required by them. So let's check all over the things. So let me start whatever the detailed information about this. So actually this notification is out from the Central Institute for Research on Buffaloes, Sirsa Road, Hisar, Haryana. So you need to go there by interview. Through the interview where you can enroll in that. Yeah, you can get this position by the interview process. Okay. Then what about the next details? The next detail is that you are going to supposed to be for the SRF post, and another is the research associate post, and it is under the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation project, and the topic is climate smart buffaloes farming, and your guider is Dr. Ashok Kumar Balhara. Okay, so these are the main most important thing is it is completely contract basis, but the period which is going to be 31st March 2029. Around 5 years you are getting time for this project. So let's see what are the details about this notification. So the post is Senior Research Fellowship. The first post is what? SRF, means Senior Research Fellowship. Number of position is 1. The salary you are getting, that is the 31,000 per month for the first year and the second year. Means ki first 2 years you are going to get the 31,000, and the next third year your salary is going to be 35,000. Means you will get 35,000 per month in third year. Total duration is almost 5 years. Duration of the post, as I have told, that 31st March 2029. And what is another thing, your essential qualification, what it would be? So you have to be master degree in animal nutrition, livestock production, management, animal physiology or veterinary physiology, life science with 4 years or 5 years. If you have done your degree with 4 years or 5 years, then it is okay, master degree. But if you have done bachelor degree, and bachelor degree that is for the 3 years, then you need to do the master degree 2 years, along with you have to qualify NET also, then you are eligible for this post. And what is the desirable, means ki preference will be given to whom? Those having experience in animal feeding experiments, methane emission measurement, data analysis, etc. The next is the what should be the age limit? Then the 35 years for the male and the 40 years for the female candidate. This is the age criteria. And the next is the name of the project and the name of the scheme, what is going to be. So let's talk about that. And this is the name of the project is, as I have told, that Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation project it is, and the name it is Climate Smart Buffaloes Farming, and the principal invigilators, means investigators, is Dr. Ashok Kumar Balhara, principal scientist. He is actually, sorry. Place of posting where you will get work, this APR division ICAR CIRB Hisar in Haryana. Date and time of interview, means when you need to inform there, you have to be present there 15th of July 2024 at 11 AM at this place, Hisar. So these are the details information about the first post. So for the duration is 5 years. Another is the research associates. So the post of the name of the post is the research associates RA post. Same one, actually they need only one research associates, and the salary you are going to be 54,000 per month if you having the PhD degree, but if you having the master degree, then you will get it 49,000 per month. Okay, and the duration of the post same, 31st March 2029, means it is also for the 5 years. For this, what are the qualifications should be? So let's talk about the essential qualification. So this is the, you should be in PhD degree, means you have to do PhD degree in the discipline of biomedical engineering, microelectronics, computer engineering, data science, artificial intelligence, chemistry, physics, etc. PhD. But what about the master? If you have done master degree in biomedical engineering, microelectronics, computer electronics, data science, artificial intelligence, chemistry, physics with 4 to 5 years, or if you have done bachelor degree from the recognized university of its first division with 60% or equivalent with minimum 3 years of experience, research experience as evidence from the fellowship, associate training, and one research paper ad sheet published by you. These are the basic requirement. If you have done BSc, then you need to experience If you have done master in this field, then you are okay. If you have done PhD, then also. It means that for these posts, either you have done BSc, MSc or PhD, you are eligible. So one more time, you need to read this one carefully again. So, and what are the desirable means preference? Experience in machine learning, algorithm development, deep data analysis. You having this, so you will get the preference. Next is the age. So for this post, the maximum age should be 40 years for the male candidate and the female candidate 45 years. Okay. Name of the project is the same. Principal means and principal and investigator is also the same. Place of posting is the same as it was for the SRF post. And the your interview date is different for this post. It is going to be 16th of July 2024. Timing is the same and place is also the same for this post also. So this was the detailed information. So I will attach the PDF also along with this video. So if you like this video, then share also, subscribe the channel also. If anyone get benefited from this, then I would really be very happy. Thank you so much.